Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips number 00 screwdriver, a tri-wing Y00 screwdriver, and a plastic spudger. These tools will be essential for opening your Nintendo Switch safely. First, power off the device completely before starting any disassembly. Now, using the tri-wing screwdriver, remove the screws located on the back of the console. There are 4 screws to take out. Be sure to keep them in a safe place so you can easily reassemble the device later. If you don't have the tools at hand, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you quickly identify issues. Once the screws are removed, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips. After the cover is off, you will see the battery and other internal components. It's important to take note of the layout here for reassembly later on. Next, we will clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris. This will help maintain optimal performance. If you notice any corrosion or damage, it might be a sign that professional help is needed. For that, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, which makes it easy for you to get the service you need without any hassle. Now, let's check the battery. If your Nintendo Switch isn't charging, the battery might need to be replaced. Disconnect the battery connector using the spudger, and then remove the screws holding the battery in place. Make sure to handle the battery carefully to avoid any punctures. Once you have the new battery ready, connect it back and secure it with screws. As you proceed, ensure all connections are snug. If you find that the screen is cracked, you can replace it by removing the screws around the screen assembly. However, this requires careful handling to prevent further damage. If you're unsure, consider our quote before repair service, which gives you an estimate before you commit to any work. After completing the necessary repairs, it's time to reassemble your Nintendo Switch. Go back to the back cover and align it properly. Press gently to snap it back into place. Finally, replace all the screws you removed earlier to secure everything tightly. Once reassembled, power on your Switch to check if everything is functioning correctly. If you still experience issues, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Remember, we're here to help with no calls and no travel needed. You can easily get your console fixed through our services. In summary, we've covered basic repairs for your Nintendo Switch, including tools needed, cleaning tips, and battery replacement. Following these steps will help you maintain your gaming experience. If you encounter any complications, our professional team is always ready to assist with quick and reliable service. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.